Good day, here's the latest news for today. Classes for public schools in the country, including the province of Misamis Oriental, has already started on October 5, 2020. Let us hear from Jane Habinyar as to how will classes be implemented in the face of the new normal. Jane?
All elementary, high school, senior high school, and community colleges have already started their classes through modular method, and Governor Bambi Imano, together with the Provincial Task Force and its Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, sees this as yet another challenge as far as COVID-19 is concerned. Most of the classes will be done through the modular method. Meanwhile, some will be done online. This means the teachers will personally deliver the module of lessons and activities to the students' residence. However, some schools advise parents to pick up modules at the school premises to lessen the workload of teachers. But for the modular method to be successful, the full support and guidance of parents is highly needed in aiding their children. If the student is having difficulties understanding the lesson, the teacher can visit the student and discuss the lessons. Because of this situation, Governor Bambi again asked and reminded parents, teachers, and students to help one another, strictly practice and follow protocols and precautionary measures to ensure that their children and families will be safe against COVID-19. Nevertheless, the governor admired and praised all the teaching and non-teaching staff of the Department of Education because they pursued the resumption of classes for school year 2020-2021 despite being in the midst of the pandemic. This is Jane Habinyar, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Jane. In another development, as the province continues to be in modified enhanced community quarantine, the chief of the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 lauded the contribution of the country's frontliners against the COVID-19 virus, assuring them of government support to emerge victorious. Raymark Semania has the details.
As of today, it has been 212 days since the provincial government of Misamis Oriental declared the province to be under the state of calamity, and 266 days since the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 started its work against the deadly virus. On Monday, the Provincial Task Force Chief for COVID-19, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, stated that he will not give up in fighting COVID-19. This despite the negative words being thrown at him and even being mocked for his ways of controlling the spread of the virus and protecting the people. He then reminded everyone to be conscious not to travel to places with overwhelming cases of COVID-19, tagged as highly endemic areas, because that might be their greatest regret. Also, he is full of gratitude to the 8 province-run hospitals for their quick response and preparation to continue the service that they always provide to the people. Dr. Jerry Kalingasan himself said that leaders should not use the word failure. Instead, they should always take every setback as an opportunity to learn and bounce back. He also added that the contribution of our country's frontliners cannot be paid by any means. With so much pride and honor, he makes sure that we will be victorious in the midst of all the challenges. As our battle continues, remember that the provincial government under Governor Bambi Imano will never leave us hanging. This is Raymark Timania, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jake?
Thanks, Raymark. And that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, this is Jean Carusit. Good day.